In addition to expanding vaccinations to all seniors aged 75 and older, I'm also pleased to announce the details for Phase 2 of Alberta's vaccine rollout. So Phase 2 will roll out in 4 groups, covering 1.8 million Albertans. We expect to begin Phase 2 vaccinations in April, but this is, of course, dependent on how much supply and how many doses we get out of Ottawa. The following groups of Albertans will be eligible in Group A of Phase 2. Those will be Albertans aged 65 to 74 and First Nations and Métis people aged 50 to 64 on or off reserve or Métis settlements. Group B will include Albertans aged 18 to 64 years of age who have underlying health conditions which we know can make COVID-19 infections more deadly. Our health officials are currently working to define exactly which underlying conditions this will apply and in what priority, and that we will announce those conditions and priorities prior to Group B vaccinations starting. So Group C will cover all residents and staff of congregate living settings, including correctional facilities, homeless shelters, group homes for disabilities, mental health, and other types of licensed supportive living. Group C will also include healthcare workers and caregivers who are providing care for individuals who are at high risk of serious outcomes should they contract COVID. Finally, Group D will see all Albertans between the ages of 50 and 64 and all First Nations and Métis people between ages of 35 and 49 on and off reserve and Métis settlements will be eligible for vaccinations at that stage.